So hi, this video is about how you can tame your flyaways. Flyaways are the little hairs, the little short hairs that you see at the part of your closure or frontal sometimes. People are always worried and concerned. I've had people complain, even returned closures and frontals to vendors or people they got it from because they thought it was bad. This is very, very disturbing, but this is not a problem. That's why I'm here to help you and find a solution to this. And guess what? You'll be shocked. Just one of those products that I'm sure you already have at home that you'll be using to tame this down permanently. Yes, I said permanently. So hello, if you just stumbled on my channel, please do not forget to subscribe for more videos like this. We do videos on hair maintenance routines and hair solution problems and all that. Like if you have any sort of problem at all with your hair extensions whatsoever, make sure you subscribe because you'll be blown. Like we'll be offering very beautiful videos that will blow your mind off. And then don't also forget to follow us on Instagram at official_lapeppoempire. So once you're done watching this video and then you have any question whatsoever, please make sure you ask questions at the comment section below and I'll be right there to answer you. Okay, like I said, this is a highly requested video. People are always having issues with these flyaways. Flyaways actually little hairs from the ventilation of the closure that you get on top of it, if that makes sense. So the first thing that you'll be doing to tame this now, which is what I'll be teaching you, is you brush your hair down. Okay, brushing your hair down still would not take away. You still see one or two coming up. See that short hair is very short, but you do not need to pluck this off. Don't cut it off. If you do that, then you have holes or bald spots in your lace and you don't want that. So the first thing that you'll be doing is you'll be using your mousse. So this is a leave-in mousse. This is what I use. It's an ultra hold mousse. That's the first thing that you'll be using. I'm sure you're surprised, like mousse, really? Yes, this is going to be able to do some magic. So just press this way and then you separate. Make sure your part is even. So you just apply this on the part. Don't worry, it's going to melt down. And now the next thing that you'll be using is the foaming wrap. What this does is it supports the mousse. You just need a little of this. It's almost the same thing, but I like the way this makes my part very seamless. So if you're the kind of person that likes seamless parts like me, you'll be needing this as well. These are the products that I use. And then the third one, which is actually the last one, is the edge control. This does magic. Now don't forget, the first one was the mousse that we used. The second one that I used was the beautiful hair texture, the foaming wrap. And this is the major, like what did I say, major? This is the key. So what you need to do is just put two of your fingers in it like this and then take out a little. You don't need too much. Do not forget that. Now, most of you complain that when you use your edge controls, it comes out flaky and it turns whitish. Now, the mousse that I have used will not make that happen. This will not happen. So this is going to permanently, I said permanently, tame down these curls, the flyaways, so you don't see them no more until you wash your hair and then you do the same routine on it over again. Okay, last but not the least, is you use your brush like this for your edges. I use this for my edges, so this is what you need. So use this in melting down all the products that you have put into the hair to tame the flyaways. So you just make sure you melt down. Everything goes down. You can't see the flyaways no more, I promise, if you do this correctly and if you use the right product. So you're just going to tame it this way. It comes down. And then that is all. I can tell you this, that the flyaways, you would not see them anymore. The flyaway is actually inevitable. It comes with almost every hair, but some people pluck them out. You don't need to pluck it out. It's not good to pluck it out. You get bald spots in your lace, and then before you know it, you're changing your lace all over again. So you see, now we'll have a seamless defined part, and then we're good. So you're not going to wear this hair like this immediately. You need to allow this dry. Remember, the mousse is an extra hold. It does extra. It's actually very, very good. Like I said, the product is and leave-in. Don't forget, get this. It's a very good product, and we are done. Make sure this dries, like dries. It does not come like dry, like flaky kind of dry. It just smoothly dries up, and then no matter the kind of breeze or whatever, this doesn't come up again. When I mean doesn't come up, the flyaways doesn't start, like coming up and all that, and then we are good. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and make comments if this has been helpful in any way. Follow us on Instagram also if you would like to see more videos like this. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.